Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Tech Chiller. Today I just wanted to show you how you can use Wi-Fi calling on T-Mobile or whatever other network you're on while making sure you do not use the network. Okay, for a lot of people this may not be relevant, but with past iterations of Galaxy smartphones, I want to say the S7 might have been the last phone to do this. Not sure about the S8, didn't own that, but the S9 definitely, and the Note 9, you can no longer set your Wi-Fi calling to Wi-Fi only. The only options you have are Wi-Fi Preferred or Cellular Network Preferred. So if you're overseas and you want to avoid roaming charges and overages, it's a little bit more difficult if you're not 100% sure that you are not using the network. Because obviously on Wi-Fi Preferred, what's going to happen is that you may think you're on the Wi-Fi, but as soon as the signal drops a little bit, it may switch to the network and you get charged. So I don't know why they removed that option, but there is a pretty simple workaround that I'll show you here. So what you want to do is first set your phone to airplane mode. And when you do that, that'll ensure that the network is 100% disabled so that there is no chance of using the network. Once you turn on airplane mode, you want to turn your Wi-Fi back on. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is back on here. And then you go into Wi-Fi calling here, you can just long press on that, and you have it, you have to enable it, obviously, and you have it on Wi-Fi Preferred. And this way, only your Wi-Fi is on. The network obviously is not on. And so when you make a call now, it'll definitely be using the Wi-Fi network. And if there's a problem with the Wi-Fi network, then either the call will drop or you can't make a call at all. So you are ensuring that you will not be using the network. All right, that's a simple workaround. Should work for everybody. If you have any questions about it, you can leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.